Welcome back. Today we're going to do another video on print. Okay, we really need to do this extra video to give you some examples of why you need to use the different kinds of prints or using what's called an escape character. And sometimes you need to use both. Let me give you an example. Again, I'm going to write a comment here. And let's say, I'm not saying this is good English, okay? Let's say you wanted to print the following. He said, she said, hello, can't you get up? Okay, so let's just assume you wanted to print that, all of that. He said, she said, hello, can't you get up? Again, I'm not saying it's good English, okay? Let's just say you wanted to print those characters. All right, well, we got a problem here. Well, we can't use double quote because, you know, we've got double quotes inside. We can't use single quotes because we've got a single quote inside. So what do? Well, that's where we have what's called the escape character. The escape character is the backslash, and that will allow us to put, say, backslash dash, which means pretend the dash, or what that thing is called, single quote, sorry, pretend the single quote is just another character and not the special character for printing, because remember, the single quote is a special character for printing. But if you want to just print this single quote, then you've got to backslash it or escape it. Okay, so how do we do that? All we do now, for this one, I am going to use single quotes, and I'm going to just copy and then paste. Control C, Control V, and I'm almost done. I've got to escape that character. Okay, and then I've got to put a single quote here. Okay, that should do it. All right, but again, just test. Okay, so let's say file, save as, and let's call this print3. Say, oops, almost forgot, print3.py. Save. Okay, now let's take our shell, file, new file, file open, and deprogramming Python learning and print3. Okay, run check module, looks okay, and then run module. He said, she said, hello, can't you get up? So there we did it. Okay, now remember, it's because of this escape character that this single quote gets treated like just another character. Okay, just like part of the CANT word. Okay, it's not the special character for printing that you can start and ending with. Okay, now homework. Can you figure out how to do this if you start with a double quote? Okay, that is your homework. I am not going to give you the answer. Okay, try it out. Okay, and remember, I want you to use beginning double quotes I did put a double quote there. It's kind of hard to see with this typing here. Yes. Okay, double quote. I want you to use a double quote here and a double quote here. How can you print out all of those other double quotes and this single quote? Okay? I've already told you the answer. So I want you to give it a try. Okay? Alright, so again, I will not give you the answer. I want you to give it a try. If you have questions, put it in the comments and hopefully others will help. Otherwise, I might be tempted to help you out. Okay? But again, the answer is there. Okay, now, what if you wanted to print this character as just a character? Okay, well, you could do this. Backslash, backslash. Okay, so what does that say? It says, remember, this escape character says, treat the next character as a regular character. Okay, so this is going to escape the next character, which happens to be the escape character, so it's just going to print that backslash. Okay, you can try it out. I'm not going to. Go ahead, but it will print just that. Okay, give it a try. Okay, so you now know enough to do a bunch of print statements. Okay, and again, practice putting a whole bunch of single quotes, double quotes, and practice with the escape character, and make sure that you can print anything. Okay, it doesn't have to be logical. Say you wanted to print hi, double quote, how are you, single quote, it is a wonderful single tick day, double quote, backslash. What if you wanted to print 3 of those backslashes? Hi, double quote, double quote, double quote, single quote, single quote, single quote, tomorrow, single quote, double quote, single quote, double quote, backslash, backslash, double quote, backslash, double quote. Yeah, I went crazy, but it doesn't matter. Okay? Yes, it's long, convoluted, doesn't make sense. If you can do something like this where you make stuff up, then you can do a real life print statement no matter what your boss asks you to print. So give all of that a try. How do you print that? Okay, and to make it more interesting, let's put a double quote here and a double quote here. So I want to print all of that. How do you do it? Okay, I'm not going to give the answer. I've already given you the answers. Okay, this is the way a teacher in a university might teach. Okay, they give you the tools and then you need to go experiment. Okay, this is not like a nuclear power reactor. Okay, if you mess up, you're not going to blow something up. Okay, if you mess up, you'll just get errors. Okay, you're not going to hurt your computer. So don't worry about making mistakes. Just try the print statements. Try what I taught you about the backslashes and using the quotes and single quotes, and just see if you can print out exactly everything that you see on that screen. Can you do it? Okay, sorry, no answers. Okay, so homework. Okay, if you expect me to do all your homework assignments, no. Just like a regular teacher, okay, the teacher will give you homework. Okay, now sometimes I will give you the answer if they're very, very difficult, but most of the time I'm not going to give you the answer. I want you all to work together in groups, okay, and try it out. If you have any comments, questions, post in your comments, and hopefully some other learning programmers can help you. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.